Welcome to Sygen Pharmaceuticals Limited. My name is Engineer Quadri Raouf. I'm the project manager for the HVAC installation at Sygen Pharmaceuticals. The scope of the project is the installation of ISO Class 8 clean room HVAC system for the industry. We are into manufacturing, and one of the major requirements for a good manufacturing practice is that there should be a prevention of contamination and cross-contamination between a space and the other, and exactly the same thing we have delivered for the facility.
My name is Odia Maxwell, the project engineer for the HVAC installation ISO Class 8 clean room at Sygen Pharmaceutical Company. The project involves the installation of HVAC system in order to achieve air differential amongst the rooms. Some of the areas we worked on are the manufacturing area and as well as the production area. In the production area, what we have installed are the air terminal, which involves the supply of air and the redistribution of air. The work of the air registers is to shoot in cool air and from a particular distance and recirculate it till it hits the floor. This is blistering cubicle 1, and what we have installed here are the air terminals and air diffusers. This is a 4-way air terminal, which is the supply diffuser. It brings in cool air in 4 different ways. We also have the return grill. The function of this particular air terminal is to extract the cooled air and redeposit back into the space. Then we have the fan filter unit. It brings in fresh clean air. The fresh air comes through the upper filter. After being purified, it is deposited back into the space as clean air. This is what we have in this plant. That is HVAC ISO Class 8 clean rooms. This is the missing bulk tablet room. Here we have supply registers and also return grill. The reason why the supply registers were used there is because of the distance between the floor and ceiling level. Same quality of supplied air in other rooms of the distance from the ceiling to the floor of 3 meters has been achieved. The same in this particular room has been achieved, nothing changing. Same design, same quality, same HVAC ISO Class 8. This is the liquid section of the Sygen Pharmaceutical Company. What we have designed and installed here is still the same HVAC system, but what we have centered on with this design is just to achieve cooling only. The design is to ensure that each enclosure is cool at any particular point in time, so as to take away any heat emanating from the human body or the machines. Basscomm Nigeria Limited has come to give this particular system plant the solution that works.
Our client is satisfied with the installation because it meets their minimum requirement for the good manufacturing practice. You can always count on us as Basscomm to deliver similar for your facility. This is just a manufacturing facility. We have other projects within auditorium, we have within residential, we also have within other offices, commercial places.
Contact Basscomm Nigeria Limited for your customized HVAC solutions. Basscomm Nigeria Limited. Excellent solutions. That works.